everyone. Tonight, in Talking with Haitian Jonas, with Mac and I will be talking about the $10 billion to help Haiti rebuild. On camera visit, under the tents, talking to the people of Las Carabas at the Dominican Republic border. The voice of Mibale's people, Michel Mateli, the assembler in the People's Choice. The role of the diaspora in Haiti's quest for change. Diaspora Press Association of Haiti, if there is any. Saint-Marc, the destroyed city. Is Port-au-Prince Haiti, or is it just the capital? A government without vision in a country in desperate needs. All that when we come back after the break. Please go call your friends to watch Talking with Haitian Jonas.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. You're watching On Camera.
Good evening, everyone. You are watching On Camera.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. You are watching On Camera.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. You are watching On Camera.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Saisha.
And I'm Alvin.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. In today's edition of On Camera, together we work to inform and entertain you. On Camera will take you there.
Thank you for watching Talking with Haitian Jonas today. We have Richard Widmark Billow with me tonight. Widmark, how you doing today?
Thank you, Jonas. And again, it's a pleasure to be sitting next to you for, the same reason we were here last time.
Thank you.
Talking about, Haiti's situation.
It is so much to talk about when it comes to Haiti. The visit that we went down there, it was amazed. Haiti, how beautiful Haiti is, and how people are taking advantage of the situation. So we need to let the whole world know what's going on to the Haitian people who are suffering. How was your weekend?
I had a great weekend, even though it's cold, but that's the season. I can't complain.
Work hard.
Yeah.
So with Mark, I go over the outline, the situation in Haiti, how much money they raise for the Haitian people. What do you think about the $10 billion the world helped raise?
Well, I'm sure everyone is aware of the amount of money that they have raised around the world in order to help, with the reconstruction of Haiti. And as you could see, when we went to Haiti, and we didn't see any reconstruction that's been in process at the time that we were there. So therefore, and I'm not sure, we know for sure that they haven't, giving that money to Haiti yet until that they have a stable government. And maybe one of the reasons could be that the diaspora really, they strongly recommended that the international community didn't give the money yet to the Haitian, to the incumbent administration.
We want to say thank you for those who have putting together, sent money to Haiti, and also, goods like clothing, shoes. We want to say thank you to you guys because...
Well, I don't think that it will never be enough if we are to thank everyone around the world who was shocked by this horrendous, this terrible earthquake that happened to the Haitian people. So the whole world was behind us, and they shared the pain and the suffering with the Haitian people, and we are very grateful for their support. And there are a number of people too, for instance, all the Hollywood stars, and this is a moment when you realize that it's sometimes you think that there are non-Haitians that are more caring about Haiti than some of the Haitians themselves.
We're gonna get to that one. This is one question. Remember, there was a big fight between Champagne and Wyclef, and we're gonna talk about how Champagne was talking back to Wyclef and said, "Hey, I haven't seen you doing work." When we went to Haiti, we saw Champagne.
Yes.
And you were very amazed about it. How did you feel?
Well, I had the opportunity to actually thank him myself. If you don't know anything about Champagne, who is a Hollywood star, he's a movie star in Hollywood, and he has played in numerous films, and he was Madonna's first husband, for those who didn't know. However, Champagne is a philanthropist. There's a guy, for instance, who is always in Haiti whenever there is a terrible event that happened. For instance, any natural disaster, he's always down there advocating, the people's right, and also, giving his whole support to those people in each and every way that he could. And I thank him for that, just the fact that he's not Haitian. He doesn't have to. I'm sure he, in those moments that he left his own family over here and the luxury that he could be living, and then to go to Haiti and spend some inordinate amount of time there.
He actually lives there.
So you see, I mean, I haven't seen that many Haitian stars do that, really, to go and actually, I mean, and it's easy to know that he's doing it out of his heart, because, like I said, it's not that he marries some Haitian woman, it's not that he has Haitian family there, but as a human being, as a person who has like a good heart, and then he feels like it's a necessity for him to go and then help those people, for instance, who are living under the tents. He just see that's not the condition in which people should be living.
Don't anticipate any problems there particularly, but yeah, the worry in these situations is that one idiot decides to do something violent and it triggers something.
Like it's not talking bad about Wyclef, which is came from our people, and he actually raised the amount of money, for to raise money for Haiti. He raised so much money for Haiti. And have you heard the work that he has done so far in Haiti?
Well, again, let me reiterate the fact that when we went to Haiti, thus far, we haven't seen any sign of reconstruction yet. And I'm sure Wyclef probably had raised a little bit more than $9 million, if the last time I checked. And so we haven't seen any sign of reconstruction yet. Like I mentioned earlier, the $10 billion, we know they haven't given it yet, for the simple fact that the Haitian diaspora have strongly recommended that they don't give it yet until there's a stable government. And also Red Cross raised about $479 million. And I mean, I know the fact that Red Cross was there, Red Cross was giving his service. I mean, and you know for sure that the money has diminished, you know, because for the boat to be operational in the water and then to be able to provide care for all those people during the, you know, the earthquake. So, well, you know, the money will go to the employees and stuff like that, which is normal.
The problem, like, who can we trust in terms of helping Haiti? Because $10 billion out there from the world, people in the world that raise that money. And also, we have other country like Cuba that send money to the government already, Venezuela, and money has spent for election, so much money. And what do you see in terms like the comparison? Like last time we talked about how the government, President Preval, raised a lot of money for his son-in-law to run for president, billboard, all kind of stuff. What do you see when you were in Haiti? Can you tell the people exactly what you see?
From what we observed when we were there, and we did talk about that during the filming, well, too much money has been spent lavishly for, you know, peccadillo, things with insignificant, you know, matters. For instance, you have a bunch of people under the tents, and they have water problem. They have basically their lodging situation is not of the human needs. So for you to be going around and spending all this money in billboards, flyers, and then not only that too, but they place those flyers on private property. They place those flyers even on state property, making a whole mess, making the whole city or town look like as if it's a carnival decoration type and some sort of graffiti, but with paper. I mean, it's preposterous. And yeah, well, the whole world will see that there is something wrong with this picture. Like while you're spending unnecessary money during your campaign, and you know, all this money could have been put for better use. That's the way I saw it.
Even though I'm just gonna tell the people a little bit. Right now, you know, OEA gave the result who's gonna run for the second round, and still now it's gonna be Milan Maniga and Michel Martelly, the candidates. Both of them are gonna running. Right now, you see the government, the president, setting new flyers for his son-in-law in Port-au-Prince. The money still, they are still using the same type of thing, same money, billboard and building and new stuff. And we don't know right now who to trust. And so much money sent to Haiti, different organization, different country, also sent to Preval. And we want to know who is, I mean, why they're sending money to these people when they know.
I don't know if I can answer this question because it's going to be hard for me to prove that they're receiving money from outside at this point in time, or if they have generated money in the country, whether if it's the right way or the wrong way. However, that whatever money that they can get their hands on in order to do those things that that doesn't seem necessary at this point. Again, when people need to be relocated, they need to have a place to stay, they need to send their children to school, they need to be able to eat, have clean water, and especially we have a cholera epidemic right now that is killing people by thousands in Haiti, or by hundreds, right? And all this money could have been gone for the cholera treatment, you know, or to prevent it from spreading any further throughout the country. That's what they should be doing with the state money, with the country's fund. You know, I don't think it makes any sense, really.